A tranquil forest basks in the warm glow of sunlight filtering through its canopy. Ryan, the old owl, quietly observes the peaceful forest from his perch. Distant sounds of deforestation begin to disrupt the forest's tranquility. In a secluded forest glade, a young deer is born. Where am I? What is this place? Why does everything hurt? What is my purpose in a world filled with such suffering? Welcome, Cici. I am here to guide you. Your journey begins now. Ryan and Cici journey through a devastated woodland, encountering its inhabitants. The butterfly teaches that change brings new beauty. The tortoise emphasizes the importance of every small step. The wolf demonstrates courage and unity for survival. In the darkest part of the forest, shadows envelop the land, and lost animals huddle together. Cici, radiating a gentle light, leads the animals through the darkness. Cici guides the animals to a new, safer haven, symbolizing hope and resilience. Dawn illuminates a new forest clearing where Cici stands, embodying hope. Ryan says, "Life is not about how long we endure, but about the light we leave behind for the world." Ryan soars off, leaving Cici to uphold nature's equilibrium